Hi there, Mama. Welcome back. It is so wonderful to see you here tonight. Are you feeling constant pain or pinching during your daily sessions? Honestly, so many new moms think that discomfort is completely normal. But guess what? It should never, ever hurt. Pain is actually a big warning sign. Don't worry at all. A simple adjustment can fix everything instantly. Let's talk about simple, safe ways to make your routine 100% comfortable today. First, let's look at the absolute biggest mistake most moms make: using the default plastic shield size that comes right inside the box. You see, everyone has a totally unique shape. One standard size definitely does not fit all. If your shield funnel is way too small, it causes friction. It rubs aggressively against delicate skin, causing severe redness and soreness. Have you ever checked if your current shield is actually rubbing too tightly? On the other hand, what happens if the shield size is too large? It pulls too much surrounding skin tissue directly into the narrow neck. This leads to uncomfortable swelling, tissue damage, and very poor output. It feels super frustrating, right? The key is finding the perfect, accurate measurement. To do this, simply measure the exact base before any session starts. Use a flexible measuring ruler in millimeters for the best result. Always add 2 to 3 millimeters extra to your total measurement. That gives you your absolute ideal shield diameter. Next, let's talk about another massive issue: suction power. Turning your electronic device up to maximum level does not mean more efficiency. High suction actually causes micro tears and blocks your natural flow. Always start at the lowest setting. Gradually increase it only until you reach a gentle, comfortable rhythm. Does your current power level feel smooth, or does it feel way too harsh? Finally, always make sure your body is totally relaxed before starting. Stress and anxiety instantly tighten up your tissue, making pain much worse. Applying a tiny drop of food-grade coconut oil inside the funnel cuts down friction smoothly. Remember, a comfortable session builds a wonderful, easy parenting journey. Which of these simple comfort tips are you trying tonight? Share your thoughts in the comments below. You've got this.